Hunter Moore is an American convicted criminal from Sacramento, California. Rolling Stone called him the most hated man on the internet. In 2010, he created the revenge porn website Is Anyone Up?, which allowed users to post sexual and explicit photos of people online without their consent, often accompanied by personal information such as their names and addresses. He refused to take down pictures on request. Moore called himself a professional life ruiner and compared himself to Charles Manson. The website was up for 16 months, during which Moore stated several times he was protected by the same laws that protect Facebook. Moore also paid a hacker to break into email accounts of victims and steal private photos to post. The FBI started an investigation on Moore in 2012 after receiving evidence from the mother of one of the victims. The site was closed in April 2012 and sold to an anti-bullying group. In February 2015, Moore pleaded guilty to felony charges for aggravated identity theft and aiding and abetting in the unauthorized access of a computer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.